Samsung just made it with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is getting big updates and possibly a special edition. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 crease is really improved and we get the official picture of it, and according to rumors, we may see different price ranges for multiple models of Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are going to hit the market in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. Samsung started mass production along with the firmware development for both foldable devices. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display changed a lot with the new hinge, and that is why the crease is less noticeable. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new crease on Z Fold 4? According to Ice Universe, he shared a picture stated that, "Are you satisfied with the new crease?" Now if we pay close attention, the picture is not clear, but what makes sense is that either the crease is way less noticeable or this picture is not clear. But if this picture is true, then you can expect a way better crease management than the last generation Z Fold 3. And we can just see a very small black line between two displays, so it is now clear that Z Fold 4 will be amazing as far as crease is concerned. This all happens with the new hinge design of the Z Fold 4, and this can possibly use in Z Flip 4 as well. A good news for storage lovers is that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are going to come with 1TB version. Samsung first put 1TB version on the Samsung Galaxy S10, and now the first foldable phone is going to get 1TB version on the Z Fold 4. And this could possibly an option or a special edition Z Fold 4. So now there will be 3 models for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and this rumor or leak is confirmed by Sam Mobile. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with 256GB of internal storage or 512GB of version or a whopping 1TB version, and only 12GB of RAM, since previous rumors suggesting that we may not get 16GB of RAM in the Z Fold 4. According to Anthony, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 base model will cost around $1,699, 512GB version will cost around $1,799, and 1TB version will cost around $2,000. Well, this may vary, but according to the previous rumors and even the rumors were confirmed by Roshan, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be cheaper than the Z Fold 3. And now we know that Samsung may cut the cost on base model for about $200, and rest will be according to the storage space. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new crease on Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.